Corsair K60 Pro TKL is a high-performance 10-keys-less mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and enthusiasts seeking precision, speed, and durability in a compact form. Its 10-keyless layout saves desk space while retaining all essential keys, making it ideal for competitive gaming or setups where space is limited. The keyboard features Corsair's high-quality mechanical switches, which provide tactile and responsive feedback for fast and accurate keystroke during gaming or intensive typing session. The K60 Pro TKL offers per-key RGB backlighting with Corsair IQ support, allowing full customization of lighting effects, profile, and synchronization with other Corsair peripherals. Its robust build quality includes a reinforced frame and durable keypad designed to withstand long-term use, while the detachable USB-C cable adds convenience and portability. Additional features include fully programmable macros, fast response time, and onboard memory to store profile, ensuring that your settings are ready whenever you take the keyboard. Overall, the Corsair keyboard combines compact design, mechanical precision, and extensive customization, making it an excellent choice for competitive gaming and PC enthusiasts who demand performances and style in a smaller footprint.